the Suns have kind of had a low-key training camp while nobody's been paying attention. They have only played 2 games in 13 days. Okay, they've only played 2 games since the All-Star break. Now, obviously, some of their players were gone over the break, but guess who wasn't gone over the break? KD and Devin Booker. They were in the gym every day in Phoenix, playing one-on-one, working things out together, talking about strategy. Since they've come back, they've had multiple long practices. Yesterday, here they've been in Charlotte for 3 days. They had a long practice yesterday. Monty Williams was saying that he's gone over all kinds of discussions with KD about end-of-game strategies and on the defensive end, not so much on the offensive end. As we see Kyrie and Luka Doncic struggle to see what was happening at the end of games as they're learning on the fly, taking losses as they figure it out, the Suns have gone over dozens of late-game situations in practice. So they have had a tremendous opportunity to build a chemistry before getting on the court today. Secondly, Durant knows how to come back from this injury. Twice in his career, he has had injuries of this exact same nature, and he's rehabbed them. And he told me yesterday he's actually felt no pain for a couple of weeks, and the last couple of weeks have just been getting his conditioning and his ramp-up correct. So, look, I'm going to listen to him and believe that he's not expecting to be full power tonight and he'll be on a minutes restriction. But I'm going to point out that when he came back from the same injury a year ago, he scored 31 points in his first game and 37 points in his second game. I'm not expecting that tonight, but I think you are going to see a very confident Suns team come out on this floor, and they get the advantage of playing one of the weaker teams in the league without LaMelo Ball.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.